Hey, YouTube fam! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super cool to talk about, the PRAVETTE Unisex Beanie hat with the light. Yes, you heard that right, a beanie hat with built-in LED lights. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome reviews. Now, let's get into it. So, I stumbled upon this gem on Amazon, the PRAVETTE Unisex Beanie hat. And folks, it's not just any beanie, it's a game changer. It's currently rocking a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars with over 8,000 ratings. Impressive, right? Plus, it's got a special deal going on, 17% off, bringing it down to just $9.99 from its usual $11.99. A steal, if you ask me. And check out these colors. From classic A black to Burgundy Twill, there are 36 options to choose from. So, there's definitely something for everyone's taste. Now, let's talk about what sets this beanie apart. First off, it's rechargeable. No more scrambling for batteries. Just plug it in using the USB port, and you're good to go. Perfect for those who always forget to stock up on batteries, like me. Made from a super soft acrylic blend, this beanie is not only a source of light but also your go-to winter warmer. It's one size fits all and provides excellent insulation against that chilly winter air. But here's the real magic, the beanie comes with 4 built-in and removable LED lights. With a whopping 10 hours of runtime, it's perfect for those long winter nights. And charging it is a breeze, use your car charger, computer, or even a portable power bank. This beanie is not just a fashion statement, it's practical too. Need to walk your dog at night? Going for a jog? Camping, fishing, or working on your car? This beanie has got you covered. It provides enough light for all your activities, making it the ultimate hands-free lighting solution. And hey, with Christmas around the corner, this makes for an ideal gift for the special men in your life, dad, husband, boyfriend, or that handyman friend who's always fixing things in the dark. So, in conclusion, the PRAVETTE Unisex Beanie hat is a total game changer. It keeps you warm, lights your way, and eliminates the hassle of constantly buying and changing batteries. If you're looking for a unique and practical gift or just want to treat yourself, this beanie is the way to go. And there you have it, folks. If you've tried this beanie or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay warm, stay lit, and I'll catch you in the next one.